Hi. Welcome to my new video. In this video you will see me working on electrical wall. So I am preparing to start my work. Electric work is dangerous, so always unplug all power sources before doing electrical work. So friends, I will install this auto changeover relay in the system. Friends, this relay makes the non-changeover inverter to auto changeover inverter. This is a very cheap and easy solution to make your solar system or generator system auto changeover. But guys, this is not 100% safe thing. So I use a protection device between my inverter and auto changeover relay. The protection device I use is just to avoid any uncertain shortage in the relay. I am marking the points on the wall. Friends, here you are seeing two devices. These are solar charge controllers. Their purpose is to control the voltage and amperes of the solar panels and charge the batteries. These are connected between the solar panels and the batteries. These are necessary part of any solar power system. There was only one enough. But I installed two. The reason is that in case of any problem or error that occurs in the primary charge controller, I can shift the solar power to the secondary charge controller within a minute. And also I have 11 years old solar panel samples and I have the option to use them with a separate charge controller within the same system. This is 30 ampere MPPT and this is a 40 ampere PWM solar charge controller. This section will be the solar charge controllers section of this solar electric wall. Now it's time to drill on the marks. I turn on the solar panels to take power for drilling. But MPPT is taking time to track the maximum power point. So I decided to join another small work at that time. MPPT is different from PWM. MPPT is based on modern solar charge controller technology. In simple, MPPT tracks the maximum power point. Which means MPPT checks the output of the PV module, compares it to the battery voltage, then fixes what is the best power that the PV module can produce to charge the battery and converts it to the best voltage to get the maximum current into the battery. It can also supply power to DC load. I have already made a video on the inside of MPPT. You can check it out to know MPPT technology more in depth. So I have done the drilling. It was taking time, because I am using a normal drill without Hilti function. But it drilled the holes very well. Now here you can see some protection devices. In the protection section, there are DC breakers, which are each dedicated to different DC components, for example solar panels and inverter DC supply. I also wanted to install some AC breakers as well, but it was out of my budget. Anyway, there are also IC-based protections devices like this one. It is connected between the inverter and AC load. It has many features including power monitoring and overload protection. In simple words I can say, the solar system can run without this section. But it is better to install this unit. You can understand this better, I didn't need to explain. So it's time to place the relay properly into its place. So the relay is set to its place. Now I will prepare the wires which connect with the relay. We need 3 types of connections. One connection will be the main house supply. Another connection will be a solar inverter. Guys, if you have a generator, so you can consider that. And the third connection will be the city line. We will connect all 3 connections with the relay. So guys, this is the last section of this electric wall. This is the electric storage and conversion unit. You can see there are devices that convert DC to AC and also AC to DC according to use. And obviously, you know the battery. This section is the most necessary part of any solar power system. We cannot run our house appliances without inverters. Nowadays there are coming such inverters which are called electric walls. In those units, everything you see is packed in a single unit. So in case of a problem with one thing, complete unit will shut down. For example, if MPPT stops working, the complete unit will shut down. Even you can't use the city power. Inverters basically have 3 types. I already made a detailed video on the inverters topic. I am sure you will learn and enjoy that video. Friends, now here is the fun part. This system is the combination of DC and AC. Or in a true sense, Mr. Edison and Mr. Tesla. In their lives they never worked together on the same project. But after death they are working together. Now here you can note one thing. DC unit size versus AC unit size. Just like in their lives. Edison thinks of profits and Tesla thinks of people. Even you can compare wire sizes. These are 10 square and 25 square DC wires, and on the other side these are 1 square and 2.5 square AC wires. In short, Mr. Tesla discovery decreased the size and price of electricity by 9 times. So my viewer, this relay can be used in many different ways. I installed this relay in this system to not interrupt the power of the house and also avoid the use of city electricity. In this system I am arranging it in such a way that it normally supplies power from the solar panels and batteries. But when solar panels and batteries fail to supply power for the house, then it automatically shifts the load to the city line. So friends, I have started connecting wires with the relay. First I will connect the supply wires of the house with the relay. Now after setting up the supply wire, I moved forward to connect the wires of the solar inverter. Friends, you are also seeing there is a very thin wire. Guys, that thin wire will be connected to the relay. I will give power to the relay coil from the inverter supply. So when my inverter is on, it triggers the relay and attracts the relay terminals toward the inverter terminal. Now friends, I am connecting the last line with the relay. This is the city line. After this I will cover this relay with its protector and prepare for its test demonstration. I have connected all 3 connections and now I will cover the relay with its protection cover and set the wiring properly with nails.
That's good.
So guys, relay is set. And we can move forward to begin the test. So my viewer, the relay is working very well. All system is now in working condition. Now I am showing you the clear working of the quick auto changeover. The auto changeover relay is so quick that my PC did not off during the changeover. So friends, in the end of this video I would say you thanks for watching my videos. And if you have any suggestions or anything you want to say, you can ask me. It will be an encouragement and help me in the future video. Thank you.